welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add motion blur to your video in After Effects. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your video in the timeline that you want to add the motion blur effect to. Let me play the video for you so you can see how it looks without any motion blur. Now, to add the dynamic motion blur effect, go to the Effects and Presets panel on the right side of the screen. In the search bar, type Pixel Motion Blur. Once you find it, drag and drop the Pixel Motion Blur effect onto your video clip in the timeline. If you have multiple videos and want to apply the effect to all of them, you can create an adjustment layer. To do this, go to Layer in the top menu, select New, and then Adjustment Layer. Drag and drop the Pixel Motion Blur effect onto this adjustment layer. Next, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you will see the settings for the Pixel Motion Blur effect. To achieve the best results, set the shutter angle to 600. This will increase the amount of motion blur. After that, set the shutter samples to 256. This determines the quality of the motion blur. The higher the number, the smoother the motion blur will be. That's it. Now you can play your video to see the dynamic motion blur effect applied. This should make the motion in your video look much smoother and more natural. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.